Hilti's been a great partner. They're the top in the industry. I think most manufacturers, they strive to be what Hilti is.
Not only do I get good Firestop, I also get a team to work with. They're involved in the industry, and I think that itself offers more value than just, performing the Firestop.
One of the reasons why I think I'm loyal with Hilti is the people that they hire, they bring in, the support that we get, and the people are all friendly, they're wonderful, they know what they're doing, and they give you a lot of backup, a lot of support as well. So, and that's very important.
I like Hilti's Firestop products. They're pretty simple to work with. Some other manufacturers, they have maybe 10 different options of products to do one thing, where Hilti really has engineered their products to where you just use one product for one application. And that's a big, strong selling point.
When it comes to the Hilti Firestop products, a lot of times we can place an order and within 24 hours we have that sitting on our dock. So it helps with scheduling and satisfying our customers' needs.
The first thing I tell our customers is I would like to put my family member, myself, in these buildings, meaning I have that much faith that these products will indeed work. So we have a lot of faith in Hilti and their UL-listed systems as well as their EJs.
The services they provide, engineering judgments, field help, technical support, again, it's a really good fit for our team.